Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Thirsty Affiliate WordPress plugin. Yes, I'm going to give you the complete tutorial of Thirsty Affiliate WordPress plugin, how to do the necessary settings, and also give you the complete review of Thirsty Affiliate WordPress plugin. Now, before starting the video, let me explain what exactly is this Thirsty Affiliate WordPress plugin and why we need this plugin. So to understand what exactly the plugin name I'm talking about, let's go to the dashboard of my WordPress. So this is a demo subdomain I have created so that I can create tutorial videos for my YouTube channel. So what you need to do, just go to plugins, click on add new and search for Thirsty Affiliate. Okay. So this is the plugin I am talking about, Thirsty Affiliate Link Manager. So this is a link clocking plugin. Now what exactly is a link clocking plugin? Now if you are into affiliate marketing, so what exactly we generally do, we usually like copy the affiliate URLs and we like paste them in our website, blog, content, wherever possible. For example, this is my blog, bloggingjoy.com. In my articles, or you can say in the homepage also, you can see that I have recommended few of the products that I am using right now. So if you put the cursor on this button, so you will see that the URL looks like bloggingjoy.com/go/bluehost. Okay, so in the bottom section you can see that the URL is coming like that. If you want me to go to my toolbox also, you will see all the products that I am using or I am recommending, I have listed out here. So now let me click on one link. For example, this SiteGround, you can see that how the link is behaving, /go/SiteGround. Okay, but in reality the actual URL looks like this. This is a big URL, you can see that, with so many parameters. So in general, if we put this kind of big URLs in our website or in our blog or content, then it may not look good. User will not be happy to click on those links, because these days spam links and this kind of misleading links are too much disturbing, and many people doesn't like to click those links. That's one important reason that you should have a link clocking plugin, so that what you can do, you can mask this kind of an ugly URL with a beautiful URL like /go/SiteGround. This is one benefit. And what is the next benefit? Next benefit is, let's say this is the URL right now I am using to promote SiteGround WordPress hosting. In future there is a change in their URL or URL structure or anything in a landing page, then what will happen? So I have to change this entire URL wherever I have used in my website. For example, in this website I have more than hundreds of articles, and more than hundreds of articles I may have used the SiteGround affiliate link, let's say more than 70 articles or 70 times or 80 times. Now if I have to change this link, I have to modify all those 70 to 80 links. So that's a very tedious task, and that's not at all recommended. So what I can do, if I have used, or if you use a Thirsty Affiliate plugin or any kind of a link clocking plugin, what you need to do, you can just use this this mask URL everywhere, and whenever there is a change in the URL structure, I just need to go to that place, and in the backend I will change the URL in only one place, and it will be applicable in entire website, because everywhere the URL structure is showing like this one only, /go/bluehost /go/generateplace /go/SiteGround. So this way only everywhere my link will be showing, and I have linked this URL in everywhere. So what I can do, I can simply change this URL in the back end of my WordPress, and then that change will automatically reflect whenever somebody click on this link. Now let's go to the demo website and let's try to install the Thirsty Affiliate plugin. I'll also share the complete settings of Thirsty Affiliate plugin, that what are the settings, like what is the best settings that you need to do. So Thirsty Affiliate plugin has installed. Now go to that in the left side. Okay, so there is a setting option, you can just go to the settings. So now here what you need to do, so this is a general settings, don't do anything in this tab. this is the important one, link appearance. Now, so how the link will appear? So there are a couple of options available. So for example, if you check my links, so it is coming like bloggingjoy.com/go/bluehost. So if you want to use recommends, so it will be /recommends/your product name. So this way you can choose whichever you want to put, whichever you want to pick to create that particular like generic slug. Okay, so let's say I want to choose recommends only. Now link category in URL, so you just keep this one, enable enhanced JavaScript. Let's remove this one. Link redirect, server side redirect, make it 301 permanent redirect. Use no follow links, yes, make it no follow links. Now this is another important thing, that whenever you are using any affiliate URL, you must use the no follow thing. So that's another advantage, that if you use a link clocking plugin, so what you can do in the setting level, you can decide that all the affiliate links will be no follow. And the next setting is also similar, like whenever somebody click on the affiliate link, it will open in a new window. So these two settings you can set up in the global level, and it will applicable in all the links. So that's the only thing. You just simply save the settings. Then there are few other things, so you just keep those things, so you do not need to do anything. So and there is something called import export. So if you are using multiple websites on similar niche and you want to use the similar URL, so you can simply like copy these things and paste it here in your another website, and all the links will be automatically copied. Okay, so that's the basic settings you can do. Now how to create a link in Thirsty Affiliate? Just go to the left hand section. Now, this is completely empty. Okay, so what I will do, I'll create a affiliate link for my SiteGround affiliate URL. Okay, so just what you need to do, you click on new affiliate link. So here I will say SiteGround, whatever you want you can put it here. This is the destination URL. Okay, now you can save it. So before saving, what you can do, you can create some categories also just to organize it. So let's say this is hosting. Then there are certain global settings which we have already selected. So yes, no follow link, yes, open in a new page. So these two are like main actually settings. You can do it, and then what we need to do, simply save the link. URL has created like, so this is my domain name, then recommends SiteGround. So this URL looks very clean, and definitely people will find it very like comfortable to click it, because they will think that okay, that person who is like reviewing the particular product, they are recommending this particular product, so it's easy to click. At the same time, in the backend, you have actually provided the affiliate URL. Now in future, if you want to change the affiliate URL, you just have to come here, put the new URL and just save it. Wherever you have linked this URL, automatically the change will be reflected in all the like pages or websites. So no need to do any changes in the website or pages or wherever you have, just link this URL everywhere. In the backend, you can change it anytime whenever you want it. There are various other link clocking plugin also. If you want me to create dedicated videos on those plugins, so feel free to comment on this video, let me know. I will create a complete tutorial and let you know the settings and everything all. So if you find this video useful, then please like this video and also share this video, because this way I will get more encouragement to create such useful tutorials. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe this channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.